Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a little quick update for you. As you can see, the bug is in primer. I have to fix that. So I've got it in epoxy primer. You might notice two shades going on. The lighter gray was high build, which I was shooting, but the paint gun decided to be uncooperative. So that's gonna have to get redone. It's no big deal, I don't mind. But I got it in epoxy. This is Kirker Enduro Prime. And it's all scuffed up for the high build, except, like I said, the gun got messed up. We're making a lot of progress here. I've also got the fenders. They're in epoxy. My makeshift paint booth. It works. Keeps paint off of important things. Whatever. Doesn't have to look good. But I got all the windows taped up. I did this after the epoxy. I didn't mind if the epoxy got on the inside. I don't really care. High build, I'm trying to split it up inside and outside. Yeah. Lots of stuff's happening. Once this... Well, here, let me show you. I did a little seam sealer. Just trying to clean it up a little because it's a little... I mean, I don't mind that it looks a little weird. Don't go looking at my door jambs. Doors are closed most of the time unless you're getting in and out. This door's stuck. But, you know, it's a little messy inside. But that door closes fantastically. This one, less so. But I know why. And I don't mind. So right now, it's about 50 degrees inside and outside. So I'm going to turn the little heater on in here, hopefully get it up to 55, and shoot the high build. I bought an actual, I'm not going to say actual, because the Harbor Freight gun is an actual paint gun. I bought a paint gun from Home Depot. Hopefully it'll work better. I can get the high build down and get some paint on it, hopefully next month, which is tomorrow. I'm aiming for 4th week of April for paint, so no dust off, but there might not even be a dust off anyway. Connecticut Volkswagen dust off, that is. There's definitely no New England dust off. But you can see I got in the jams, there are some runs. I got a razor blade that's going to solve that problem though. Brake line and fuel line are in. Got to push that fuel line a little farther into the Napoleon's hat. You might say, why are you going to put a fuel line inside the car? Because that's what Volkswagen said to do. I know some of you might not be too thrilled about it, but I don't mind. I got both axle boots done now. It really is just down to paint and primer and then putting it back together now. Unfortunately, Wolfsburg West is closed, so I can't get any parts from them, but there's other suppliers. Only problem with Wolfsburg West is they're the only people that have the spray paints and the seat frame colors and stuff. But I'll make do for now until this virus passes. Hope all of you are doing okay. Hope all of you are safe, staying inside when you can, not going out for no reason. But yeah, just a little update. It's in primer. I'm working on a video. I've been filming me actually priming it, but you know, the gaps between, I did the epoxy primer like 2 Fridays ago, and then it gets cold, and then the paint gun broke, and you know, but whatever. Like I said, just a little update. We're making a lot of progress here. I've had the car for almost 5 years now, so finally to this point where it's pretty much, it was one color until I started wet sanding the epoxy. But thank you guys for checking in. Like I said, hope you're all safe during this pandemic virus that's going around. Just wanted to give a little check-in on how the bug's moving along and where we're at. If you didn't check out Jason, he he got the 68 running, something so simple that I missed and I would have never noticed. So props to him for getting that thing running. Sounds good. I'd like to go check it out sometime, but you know, the virus. So like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out more videos on this 67 Beetle, I've got a playlist that I'll link in the description, and I'll probably put a card up top. If you want to see more Volkswagen stuff, make sure to subscribe, because I've got videos on this Beetle. I had the 68 Beetle that I was working on, that Jason just got running, and 74 bus coming up after this. So make sure to go check those videos out. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.